Today I'm showing you how to make a dump cake, the best type of cake on earth. We're going to start by putting our apple pie mix right into the bottom of our baking dish. And we're going to take graham crackers, just crack your graham crackers all over there. Grab our whipped cream, and you're just going to pour whipped cream all over the top. Take our Cheerios. We're going to pour our Cheerios all over there. We're going to grab our cake mix over here. And now, no mixing. You're literally just going to sprinkle your cake mix all over the top. We're going to take our spatula and let's just now spread this out. Very important is that we use our butter. Butter is a very important ingredient in cakes. We're going to take our butter, cut little slabs of butter, and place it right on top of there. We're going to pop this into the oven that is now preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake this for 30 to 40 minutes. All right, it has been about 40 minutes and our dump cake is now done. Grab the spoon and now it is time to give it a try.